Welcome to my historical recipes. Christmas is coming, and with Christmas I thought maybe we'll do a couple of fancy recipes, which is seafood. Why not do seafood the ancient Roman way? I have chosen two recipes, again, from the collection of Apicius, and well, they're not very complicated. But they maybe serve seafood sometimes a little different than the way we are used to. I have chosen from a vast number of possible recipes two different kinds of shellfish. We have mussels and we have oysters. What are the other ingredients that we can see here? For the mussels, we need some white wine, a little bit of grape must, cumin, a spring onion or a small leek, and of course garum, the fish sauce. And for the oysters we need an egg yolk, pepper, vinegar, lovage or parsley, in this case it's parsley, and olive oil, and of course also a little bit of garum. Now let's start with the mussels. For the mussels I am going to cut, first of all, the spring onion or small leek into fine slices. Okay, we put those onions into a cook pot together with some water, just a dash, and a dash of white wine, some cumin, a little bit of grape must, like that, and of course some garum. And this now we bring to the boil. While we wait for the broth for the mussels to boil, we will start preparing the oysters. For that we need the egg yolk that we have already separated. And we will add some black pepper. In this case I actually use long pepper, which was more common than the black pepper that we are using now. But you can of course also use normal black pepper. And a little bit of olive oil, some garum, a dash of vinegar, and the chopped parsley. This we put onto the oysters. To be honest, I'm interpreting a little bit here because Apicius just gives a list of these ingredients. It might as well be that he's imagining an oyster stew, but I find the idea nicer to bake the oysters with that topping in the oven. And then we stick the whole thing into the oven to grill it just a few minutes from above. And we grill the oysters a moment in the oven. Our mussel broth is boiling hard, and now I put the already cleaned mussels inside, close, and wait a few minutes until they open. This won't take very long, it's just a matter of 5 minutes or so. Well, that's two kinds of shellfish, the ancient Roman way according to Apicius. You know how to eat mussel? You take an empty one, and that's your tool with which you eat. Bon appetit!